3, 2, 1.
A national and a global speaker who has spoken on platforms like MTN, Business Clinic. Please can we make welcome Kofo to Abode Academy Cohort.
Sweat on the skin, let the rhythm begin. No big competition, everybody go in. This I wanna let go, the bridge is so strong. Finding a heartbeat right in the song. Give me your hand, let the magic expand.
My name is Ocheru Chidima, and I've learned a lot from Abode. I think one particular thing I picked out of everything is do it afraid. And what I learned today is you can also use ChatGPT and real estate, learn more about real estate, even from ChatGPT, and that's really mind-blowing because Paul Force said a lot, and I've learned a lot from Abode Academy here. It's a big community. It's a community you should join. Shared prosperity everywhere. I can't wait to start making my money anyway. But I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you, Abode.
Sophia. I'm the sales team leader at Abode and also the community manager for Abode Academy. Now this is actually the biggest Abode Academy we planned. You should have seen my excitement when I saw the numbers. I was literally jumping at home when I saw the number of people that joined the meeting, and I was expecting more people, and we had more people. So this has been an amazing ride. We have students that learned both the basics of real estate and also how to earn massively from real estate. We're going to have more cohorts. This is cohort 5. We're going to have more cohorts, and it's going to be better. It's going to keep getting better and better. If you've not joined Abode Academy, just start making plans to join the next one. Because trust me, you will not regret that you did that.
Desde el Caribe hasta el oeste de África.